Hello guys, so today we are going to make an obstacle avoiding plus a Bluetooth control car. For that we need some components. Like here I am having ultrasonic sensor, servo, breadboard, a Bluetooth module, and this is motor driver, Arduino Uno, and this is a simple battery. You can just plug it here, and there are some connections done, like to connect both motors parallelly, and you can just take them out like this. So we are going to do the connections. We will be needing some wires like this. Firstly, I will be connecting the wires for ultrasonic sensor, and like this you can just connect. So this is the positive wire, that is VCC, will be going to the so this will be going to the positive, the breadboard, and the negative one will be going to the same negative of the breadboard, and the echo will be going to A2 of Arduino Uno, and the trip pin will be going to A3. So now we will be connecting the breadboard to the Arduino Uno. For that we will be needing two male to male wires. So we have to connect the same like negative and positive like GND, and 5 volt to the breadboard, and here we just did it. Now we will be connecting the ground pin and 5 volt pin to the Arduino Uno of the motor driver. Like here we can just did this, like you can see here. So we have to just tighten the wires of negative one and positive one. And now we can connect the negative to the negative and the positive to the win. So we have to connect the negative to the negative and the positive to win side, and here we just did it like this. You can draw it and just. So now we will be connecting the ANA, IN and all those pins to the Arduino Uno. For that I'll be using male to female wires, and you can just pin these all. Okay, so we can just pin them all. Okay, so now the ENA pin will be going to 10th of the Arduino pin D10, and the IN2 and IN3 pin will be going same like that to 8 and 7, and parallelly these also. Okay, so the connections are done for the motor driver. Now we will be connecting all the wires from the Bluetooth module to the Arduino Uno and the breadboard. So now we will be needing some male to female wires, and we can just connect them. Wait a second. Okay, so the positive and the negative one to same for the breadboard, like we can just do this, and here we go. That's it. The TX1 to the D3 of the Arduino, and the RX1 to the D2 of the Arduino. So the connections are done, and like you can see, okay, so the servo is left. We will be needing 3 male to male wires. Okay, so I'll be connecting the wires from the servo. So the negative one to the negative, the positive one to the positive, and the servo to the A4 of Arduino. And that's it, the connections are done. Yes. Now we can just do the coding part. That's it. And now we can just put a car into charging. Like if you are having a specific charger, and it will be like time skip.
Go forward. Stop. Go back. Go back. Stop. Go forward. Go forward. Stop. Turn right. Turn right. Turn right. Turn right.